You didn't reply. I'm like, अब तो वीडियो लेके जाऊंगी मैं.
आगे से नहीं करूँगा मैम, आगे से पक्का नहीं करूँगा. देख लो मतलब यार, प्लीज यार.
Okay. हाँ, मैं एक सेकंड भूल गई, मैंने क्या पूछा था?
कभी किसी ने नहीं करी मेरी जूम कॉल पे. गली में लड़कों के क्या हाल है तुम्हारे?
गली में
हैं?
मेरी गली में कोई हॉट ही नहीं है.
ओ चल गई है.
Hello people of internet, welcome to a new episode of Badmaash Baatein. I'm your host Sukriti Grover, and for today's episode I have none other than Apar Shakti Khurana with us, guys, and I was really excited to film this, and I'm so glad that he agreed to be a part of this. Also, in this podcast we talked a lot about Apar Shakti's life, like his life as a radio jock, as a TV anchor, all of his works, how he started films. We also talked about a lot of fun things, so I would recommend you guys to please keep on listening till the end. If you're listening this on Spotify, make sure you follow. If you're listening this on Apple Podcast, please do subscribe and leave a 5-star rating because it would really mean a lot to me. YouTube वालों please subscribe कर दो, सबसे आसान चीज है, subscribe कर दो. And now we're gonna begin with the podcast. Hello people of internet, welcome to another episode of Badmaash Baatein. Today I have Apar Shakti Khurana.
Apar Shakti Khurana with the most badmash girl in the world, Sukriti. की हाल है कुड़ी के?
Yes, wow, oh my god, आपकी इतनी excitement even after working all day, कैसे?
नाम मेरा इसलिए अपार शक्ति रख दिया गया था. पहले मेरा नाम टिंकू था.
अपार शक्ति का क्या मतलब होता है? अपार शक्ति का क्या मतलब होता है?
Power unlimited. That's what it means.
Interesting. So I want to know. हाँ क्या कह रहे थे?
I'm saying sometimes I have to hit the gym to justify my name. So yeah.
अच्छा हाँ, how's workout during this lockdown workout? मतलब कैसा चल रहा है?
यार देखो, workout करना पड़ता है. You know, I've never been that guy who wants to pick up, all those weights and stuff. But
right.
Man, push-ups, chin-ups, this and that, and squash and badminton and ये सब चीजें कर लेता हूँ.
Basic तो घर पे हो सकता है.
हाँ, और देखो फुटबॉल वगैरह चीजें तो अभी टीम स्पोर्ट हो नहीं पा रही है because of COVID, of course, and all the turfs are shut. लेकिन जो बैडमिंटन, स्क्वॉश, टेबल टेनिस टाइप स्पोर्ट है जो आपको सिर्फ एक ही इंसान और चाहिए. You can sometimes play with your wife, sometimes with your brother, sometimes with a neighbor. So you can do all of it. So I've been doing all of it.
I even saw that I saw your stories that you are going out cycling also.
Yes.
Right.
Cycling करी, skating भी करी बहुत सारी. So yeah.
Interesting. So अच्छा so how was lockdown for you? Like having a profession like this, how was it?
Honestly, I just try to keep myself so occupied with life that मुझे ना ज़्यादा idea होता नहीं है कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है. So that I'm just able to concentrate and मैं अपनी energies जो है वो उन जगहों पे लगाऊं जहाँ मैं लगाना चाहता हूँ. मैंने पिछले 6 महीने में ना ही मैंने कोई न्यूज़ चैनल खोला. मुझे नहीं पता बाहर कितने कोविड केसेस चल रहे हैं. I'm so sorry for being unaware, but of course that doesn't mean that necessary precautions. I of course take all precautions, but having said that, I think when things are not under your control, उसके ऊपर चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है आपको. And you should always जब ये चीजें इतनी ज्यादा आपके लाइफ में नेगेटिविटी ले आती हैं that you have to kind of then you have to divert your energies and concentrate on work and be occupied with things so that to get the momentum going of life, the tempo should.
So what were you doing वैसे? क्या हो रहा था? Like were you shooting at home? कैसे?
I was shooting a lot at home. You've already seen me.
I saw some campaigns also.
Yeah, so I've done that. I've done Instagram Antakshari. I've done Instagram live sessions. I've done. I've composed a lot of songs in the lockdown. Tomorrow I'm going to T-Series' office to meet Bhushan ji and make him hear all those songs. So we'll finalize on one song.
You are in Mumbai right now?
I'm back to Mumbai now, yeah.
Oh, okay. And Yeah.
So tomorrow I'll go and meet Bhushan ji and understand ki when can we do our next song. So I've tried to keep myself occupied in my own way, and I'm not complaining at all. I've had a good lockdown.
That's interesting. So did you do anything experimental during this lockdown?
Yeah,
Anything
picking up
experimental?
after long was very experimental because I used to skate when I was in class 5. I उसके मैंने कभी skating नहीं की थी, and I do that even after so many years. मैंने अभी एक brand video डाली है जिसमें मैं skating कर रहा हूँ. So after keeping the phone down, you should check that out. तो आपको लगेगा कि यार ये तो इसको तो आती है skating. मैंने 5th के बाद अब करी है skating जाके. So that was like I thought, dude, देख ले हड्डी बसले टूट जाएगा. So and apart from that, something experimental. I shot with my parents. That was very experimental.
Oh yes, I saw this one campaign you did.
Yeah, I shot with my father once for we did a retro song, and then me and my mom and my papa and my wife, we shot for a joint family video dancing for Kurkure, and it was quite fun.
Okay, that's cute. So, okay, before we continue further, I would want to tell people our first encounter.
Oh wow.
So, ये थोड़ी सी छोटू सी complaint थी, but that's okay. That जब वो आया था कुड़िए नी, I was fangirling over that song. मुझे बहुत प्यारा लगा, सुंदर स्वीट सा गाना था, and मैंने वो उस पे ना ऐसे हल्का सा डांस करते हुए I sent you a video, ठीक है, and you didn't reply. तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा, and when I did that, नहीं, that's okay, of course. So when I did that,
ऐसा नहीं कि मैं reply नहीं किया, मैं देख नहीं, तो इसलिए मतलब बाय चांस की बात है कि I missed that video.
हाँ, that's fine. तो हुआ क्या उसके exactly?
Otherwise मैं रेडियो स्टेशन में मिला हूँ जहाँ पे मैं काम करता था खुद, और वहाँ जब मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए आया वहाँ पे आपको मिला हूँ, so I would have definitely replied to you. So I'm sorry about it.
Yeah, that's fine. मतलब ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. But उसके मतलब coincidence था ये.
आगे से नहीं करूँगा मैम, आगे से पक्का नहीं करूँगा, देख लो मतलब यार, please यार.
Okay.
Don't be I did not reply.
ठीक है, that's okay. So उसके exactly 2 दिन बाद मुझे वही रेडियो स्टेशन पे बताया मेरे को सुप्रिया ने that पारशक्ति is coming for a promotion, ऐसा. मैंने बोला ओ वाओ, मैंने 2 दिन पहले टेक्स्ट किया था, needed reply. like अब तो वीडियो लेके जाऊंगी मैं.
मैं बताऊं, मैंने जब आपका टेक्स्ट पढ़ा ना, तो मैंने अपनी पीआर टीम को बोला कि यार कैन वी गो टू इश्क एफएम, एंड शी वाज लाइक व्हाई. मैंने कहा किसी का मैसेज आया था, मैं उनको रिप्लाई नहीं करना चाहता, मैं सीधा जाके मिलना चाहता हूं उनको. ऐसे हुआ था.
But that's okay.
माने की बात कर रहा हूं.
Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. So anyway, now talking about the radio jockey and everything, you have also been a radio jockey. So I want to, मतलब मैं उसको segue कर रही थी इस तरह.
तो जिन लोगों को सेगवे का मतलब नहीं पता है, उन सबको बता देते हैं कि देखिए, जब एक गाना खत्म होता है और दूसरा शुरू होता है, बम्पर लगता है, तो उसको आपको मैन्युअली बार फिक्स करना होता है. ये गाना खत्म हुआ, ये बजा इश्क एफएम का बम्पर, और ये दूसरा गाना शुरू. तो एक लाइन में ऐसे प्रॉपर मैच करना, उसको सेगवे कहते हैं. तो इन्होंने सेगवे किया.
तो मैंने सेगवे किया कि आपका क्या, like how was your experience as a radio jock, and क्या, like how was it, just basically.
यार सुकृति, बिफोर दैट मैंने कभी कुछ ऐसा प्रोफेशनली क्रिएटिव काम किया नहीं था. मैंने उससे पहले कभी क्रिएटिविटी से पैसे, इज्जत कमाई नहीं थी. सो that was the first time I got confidence in my creative sensibilities, whatever little creative sensibilities I had at that time. But I must say that जो मेरे आसपास लोग थे ना, my seniors from radio, my colleagues, my all my friends and interns and everyone, they've helped me a lot to become a better creative person. I owe my career to all of them. My seniors from radio, they were just too cool, and they were just too supportive of a new kid coming and catching hold of the mic, and they were just too I think kind on me. And so yeah, touchwood, they taught me a lot, and whatever I learned there, I'm still using it. on hosting front, on acting front, on my digital collaborations front, doing all of it.
Interesting. So, how, like you said, some things you are still using it. जैसे क्या? What are those qualities or
For
things you?
example, thing में जो आपको, you need that gift of the gab, and you need that, improvisation, you need that spontaneity, you need that, आपको कई बार स्क्रिप्ट पे थोड़ा इम्प्रोवाइज करना पड़ता है, या वो नहीं तो आपको see, for a radio jockey, it's really important to be a people's person, for people to like your voice, for people to, when they call you, to, kind of have that connect. So while hosting as well, or otherwise also while acting as well, when you're in this, when you're on this side, you need to have that connect with the audience. And touch wood, so far I've been able to make a good connect with my audience. All my characters have been able to connect with my audience, and that started with radio. Radio taught me how to connect with the audience, and I think that's the most important thing, because there's so many people around me who are better actors than me, and I mean, they are not only better actors, they're very senior to me. In terms of their theater experience, in terms of their voice modulation, in terms of their knowledge about films and theater in our country, but their exposure has not been as much as I've been exposed to the bigger platforms. I would give that credit to radio कि मुझे ये इतना करने को इसलिए मिला because वो connect find करना important है. So radio helped me to become a better people's person and do those things which can make you connect to the audience.
And kitna time? What was your duration at radio as a radio jock?
Yeah, I was earlier doing the 5 to 9 evening show. Then I shifted to the 7 to 11 morning show, and I love the evening show more because I'm an evening person. I love waking up in the morning. I have no problem at all. Rather I hardly sleep. My problem is that my energy starts, multiplying only after lunch. If you call me before lunch, I'll be like, "Hey, what's up?" Post lunch, "Hey, what's up?" So yeah, it's like that.
Okay. Nice. But as in duration, as in kitne time, kitne saal, how, kitna time kara tha? Yeah. हाँ, मैं एक सेकंड भूल गई, मैंने क्या पूछा था?
कभी किसी ने नहीं करी मेरी Zoom call पे. Okay. So yeah, I did radio for about 7 years.
Oh wow. Oh,
अब
I
आंसर
didn't
ठीक
know.
किया मैं.
हाँ, अब सही.
ठीक है.
So okay, now coming to the TV anchoring you did, थोड़ा जो TV में you did. So what was how you started off? मतलब radio से कैसे you went over there? Interest कैसे change हुआ?
यार, I think RJing and TV hosting are quite similar to each other. And क्या होता है कि it's about talking, and facing the mic here and talking and facing the camera there, and it's more of, sometimes it's also about announcing things, sometimes it's about having a conversation. So you've done it all as a radio jockey, so you become better prepared to be a host. And I think that really helped me to make a smooth transition, and more often than not people are able to make that smooth transition.
इससे मुझे याद आया, why I started this podcast was also because मुझे host करना अच्छा लगता है, and मेरे को कभी ऐसे कोई job का offer नहीं मिला, so I'm like, okay fine, I'll have my own thing. ठीक है. So yeah, okay.
You need to find your own world and your own platform. It's right. Fine if you were inside a radio studio. I think this is a studio enough, and these are healthy enough conversations and fun enough conversations. चाहे वो radio station पे होती, चाहे वो Zoom call पे होती. So yeah, good luck.
Thank you. And now how your interest in acting developed?
यार, मुझे ना अभी भी सुकृति समझ नहीं आता है कि मैं एक्टर बन चुका हूँ. मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता है कि मैं एक्टर. मुझे ना काफी बार मतलब like I have to pinch myself to realize कि okay, ये चल रहा है मेरे साथ लाइफ में. because in a way it's a good thing, because it makes me, you know, as innocent and organic as I was back in the day, and which also helps me to you know, अपने character उस innocence और उस organic attitude के साथ आप करो, थोड़ा सा help होता है. But यार, I don't know how all this shaped up. I have no idea at all, because when I was trying to, तब हुआ नहीं. जब मैं लोगों को फोन कर रहा था, मेल कर रहा था, that I want to come and audition, I want to be a TV, I want to act, I want to do this, I want to do that. Nobody replied to my mails. No one replied to my messages. I was not able to meet any of the producers or the directors or the casting directors or the writers or anyone for that matter from that world. But I don't know how, sooner or later, I think it all happened after getting married, you know, very honestly. The day I got married, not even a week after that, I got a call from Star Sports, Sony Mix. I was just hosting, you know, on digital. I was hosting on TV, and Dangal happened, and I have no idea how things shaped up. I had only heard about Lady Luck, but it just
मैं भी यही
happened to
बोलने
be.
वाली थी, ये तो लेडी लक हो गया.
लेकिन मेरे लाइफ में इतना स्ट्रांगली हो गया वो, I just could not kind of, you know, believe कि इतना जल्दी सब कुछ हो रहा है. Having said that, jaldi hua, but the kind of patience I showed before that is something which taught me a lot. And I think after Dangal also I've shown enough amount of patience on my professional front to catch hold of the right you know, scripts, to catch hold of the right words, and not to jump the gun and only think about lead roles. And having said that, I've just finished my first lead role wali film after 9 films as a supporting actor. And I hope the kind of love and affection and the warmth and the acceptance I've got from the audience as a supporting actor, I hope I get the same from the audience in the lead space as well. कई बार ना, लेकिन सुकृति, these things are not in your hands. You can only put your best foot forward in front of the camera. One thing I'm sure about that, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मैंने क्या काम किया है. I'm sure people will not, you know, once they watch Helmet, वो ये नहीं कहेंगे यार अपार ने कितनी गंदी एक्टिंग की है, वो ये तो नहीं कहेंगे. But if they accept me as a guy in the lead role or they don't, is something which is very situational. Hence, I'm always ready to go back and try again and come back and knock their doors and say, hey guys, can I be there with you guys? So, I mean, if they're okay with it, as and when they're ready to accept me in that space, I'm absolutely ready to, you know, wait till the time and not say, you know, no to all the other parts which are not in the lead roles. Like, for example, I don't want to name the film because we haven't announced it yet. I've already said yes to a film which is not in the lead role, you know, and which will make me a better actor. I'm playing a Sardar in that film, and that's because see, sometimes what happens is a lot of artists, when they get a lead film, they think अब तो मुझे lead ही करना है, अब तो मुझे hero ही बनना है, you know. So for me, it was always about being an actor, and I would want to keep it that way. I hope I'm able to keep it that way throughout my life. It's a very, very difficult thing to do that, you know. And so yeah, I mean, all the respect and love which I've got so far is only from the supporting, you know, category, and this is now my time to pay that love and respect back. So hence I said yes to that film, and I love the world.
That's a very good attitude to have, to be honest. बहुत मुश्किल होता है लोगों में रहना, and touch wood.
I hope I no. सीरियस बात होगी, कुछ और बताओ यार, क्या चल रहा है?
अच्छा, ये मूवी कब रिलीज हो रही है?
गली में लड़कों के क्या हाल है तुम्हारे?
गली में है? मेरी गली में कोई हॉट ही नहीं है.
Oh, who is the latest crush?
Latest crush अरमान मलिक.
बोल दो. अरे पता लग जाएगा इसी बहाने, उसको बता रहा हूँ. इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेज करेगा, बोले प्लीज सुकृति प्लीज. हाँ,
अरमान मलिक. Oh,
Arman Malik, यार एक
Next
Instagram
guest.
पे हाथ तो भेज दिया. He's a friend of mine, by the way.
रिप्लाई तो कर दिया, रिप्लाई कर दिया, मिल
तो
लिया.
आगे निकल गई है.
मिल भी लिया, बातें भी हो गई, बस उनको अब बदमाश बातें पे लेकर आना है अब.
ओह, बदमाश बातें करने का मन है उनके साथ. Okay, nice. Do that.
Yes.
Do that.
अच्छा, ये मूवी कब रिलीज हो रही है वैसे? The one you're shooting for right now?
So, this is Helmet only.
Achha,
This
okay.
is, as we're talking, today is the last day of the shoot. We just wrapped up.
Oh,
This will most likely come out end of the year. And I think within a month's time, we'll be able to put the first edit together and show it to, either an OTT platform or a distributor if theaters open within a month's time. So let's see how it goes. Not worried about the fact कि ये film theater में जाने वाली है कि OTT पे जाने वाली है, because good content is good content wherever you get to see it. And touch wood, I hope that, I'm sure we're making good content.
right.
So far, I've been able to be a part of good content and relevant scripts. And see, what we were doing in front of the camera was definitely relevant. And जो मैंने थोड़ा बहुत edit देखा है वो अच्छा लग रहा है. And keeping my fingers crossed for the rest.
इससे मुझे थोड़ी सी satisfaction मिली कि when he said good content, that's why he agreed to be on this podcast.
क्या बात है सुकृति, यही तो वजह था, यही तो वजह थी. मैंने ना चेक किया, मैंने कहा कौन अच्छा पॉडकास्ट कर रहा है, इंडिया के बेस्ट पॉडकास्ट कौन, लिस्ट बनाओ उनकी.
हाँ.
फिर हम सुकृति के पैरों में गिर गए कि सुकृति प्लीज.
Yes guys, हो गया. हम मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये सुन के मुझे. हाँ, हम अब बंद कर सकते हैं. Okay.
So सुकृति, जो गोल्डन वर्ड्स तुम सुनना चाहती थी कि पार गिर गया, उन्होंने कहा यार पार प्लीज, और सॉरी सुकृति प्लीज मुझे अपने पॉडकास्ट पे बुला लो, वो मैंने बोल दिया है. So on that note, you can quickly move on to your last question.
Yeah, right.
Then let's wind it up, girl.
Yes. Okay. Second last. इससे एक छोटा सा मेरे को भी question आया था when you were talking about the roles you were doing, and then कैसे suddenly you did मतलब you got into acting वगैरह वगैरह. So इससे मुझे आया question that were you content even before you were an actor? Like were you content?
Yeah. आप ऐसा करो, you know all my seniors from radio,
Yeah,
you were working at this, you started working after I left. So I am 100% sure कि एक भी इंसान ऐसा नहीं कह सकता कि यार मैं जब आता था ऑफिस या कभी भी जब throughout the day they caught me not so happy or dissatisfied or not content with what
मुझे हमेशा लगा like he is full of energy and
never day of the year has been very, very satisfying. Before acting, after acting, before Corona, after Corona, हर जगह मैं touch wood, I'm gonna be that up-tempo guy for you who'll always, who would always want to come and talk about nice, happy, warm things.
Okay. And one last question, this is probably because having, like, how does it feel having a sibling in the same profession? So does it motivate you, or does it create that competitive wala feeling, या कुछ भी रहता है, like healthy competition या कुछ भी, anything of that?
यार देखो, जब एक for example let's say एक father ने एक फैक्ट्री डाली, एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट डाला, ठीक है. जब दो बच्चे जाते हैं उस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट में, they never move out of the house. जब रास्ते में ऑफिस जा रहे होते हैं, वो इस माइंडसेट से नहीं जा रहे होते हैं कि तुझसे बेहतर काम करूंगा मैं. They're always together in it, right?
Yeah.
And two brothers will always be together in it. And we are no different. We are just two brothers. We're not the problem is that ये सवाल आता रहता है बार-बार. The basic question, the basic answer to this question is that we are brothers first and then actors, So how can you take that away from us? So
Right.
It's rather even unfair. It's rather unfair to even think about the fact that there'll be any kind of competitiveness for that matter. And अगर मैंने फिर भी उसका bluntly honest होकर question करना भी है answer. Yes, Sukriti, see, I need to be equal to him first to be compared to him, to have a competition with him. I'm not equal to him right now. So I think so.
But
This is
why
kind
do
of
you say that? Why do you say that?
I'm unequal because number one, experience. He's had more experience than me. Number two, exposure. Number three, if you in hearts of hearts, I know that अगर आप इस कला की बात करें, जिस कला में हम हैं, he's more talented than me because his homework was always more complete than I. मैंने बहुत लेट थिएटर ज्वाइन किया, मैंने बहुत लेट फिल्म ज्वाइन करी, तो उनका होमवर्क इतना कंप्लीट हुआ है कि वो मुझसे बेहतर आर्टिस्ट है. तो अब जब इंसान इक्वल ही नहीं है, किसी भी पैमाने पे, आप उन दोनों का आपस में क्यों, मैं खुद भी क्यों करूं या कोई और भी क्यों करे कंपैरिजन या कंपटीशन या कुछ भी. So I think I can't be more bluntly honest about it. So yeah.
Okay, so that's a very nice way to put it. And also, मतलब अब ये हम end कर रहे हैं, but would you like to share any one behind the scene experience या कुछ funny हुआ हो, weird हुआ हो, बदमाश हुआ हो on a set for any shoot? कोई दंगल का shoot था?
यार देखो ऐसा है ना, बात सारी की सारी है कि बहुत बदमाश बातें हो जाती हैं सेट पे. There is a reason कि वो बदमाश बातें बाहर नहीं आती हैं. Okay, and there is a reason कि किसी ने भी अभी तक आके वो बदमाश बातें आपके सेट पे नहीं, आपके शो पे नहीं बताई हैं. तो मैं भी नहीं.
हाँ, नहीं मतलब कुछ funny हुआ हो या कुछ भी, like not बदमाश but
the reason I've been a part of successful films like Dangal, Lukka Chuppi, Stree, Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, Pati Patni aur wo, so that the reason is that these are all happy sets, and a happy set will always be full of honesty. A happy set will be full of good fun. एंड वहां पे ऐसी कोई बदमाशी नहीं होती है किसी की.
मतलब कुछ फनी ऐसे
आप तो फन की बात कर रहे हो. यार मैं भी कुछ दिनों में एक वीडियो डालने वाला हूँ. अभी मुझे यार हमने स्त्री में ना कंचे खेले थे ऑफ डे पे. अब आज जो हेलमेट के सेट पे साउंड दादा आए हुए हैं ना, वो हमारे साथ स्त्री के सेट पे थे. उन्होंने राज ने और अभिषेक ने हमने मिलके कंचे खेले थे. वो वीडियो मेरे पास है, मैं शेयर करने वाला हूँ कुछ दिनों में इंस्टाग्राम पे. मुझे वो वीडियो हफ्ता पहले मिल जाती तो 2 years of Stree पे डालता मैं वो कंचे खेलते वीडियो.
yes.
So yeah. But anyway, never mind. Stress नहीं है कोई. But on that note, it was pleasure talking to you. I hope and when I come to your radio station. Till then, take care of yourself. And big hug to you. Congratulations to you. Kudos to you for starting this really cool podcast. May this podcast grow each day, each session. And yeah, keep that smile going.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Just putting it out there, guys. No, I'm not working anywhere right now.
अबे करो यार, क्या कर रही है ये? पता है ऐसे बात नहीं करना होता, बोलनी नहीं होती. लोग बोलो ऐसे बोलना था. पता क्या बोलना होता है? Just putting it out there that I'm not working at that radio station anymore. मुझे और बेटर रेडियो स्टेशन से कॉल आई है, मैं किसी की नहीं उठा रही हूँ कॉल.
Yes guys, that वही बोलना था. Sorry.
Honestly बोलूं, सच बोलूं, तुमने जो किया बिल्कुल ठीक किया. Honestly, not kidding. ये मैं जानबूझ के बोल रहा था. You should always be honest about it. You should always be sure about it. I have never been able to say something which I'm not. Okay, and I would never want to do that. Rather, I love this thing about you that रखते रखते बार बोलती है मैं काम नहीं करती हूँ वहाँ पे अब. So, but this podcast was not about you working at a radio station. You have your own cool show. Yeah, God bless the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for time निकालने के लिए.
निकालने के लिए और साथ में slang देने के लिए. Thank you so much. Take care, Baba.
चलो, bye.